Hello, this is Project Group 4 for SER494. My name is Gabriel, and as you can see my screen, I have I have implemented the weapon wheel. It won't be available until last round, but due to the time, I have set the difficulty to hard and to the last stage. So as you can see, we can equip items here. I'm also working on implementing the items. Um, I'm also continuing to work on objectives, trying to get the objectives completed, initialized, and everything. That's not ready yet, but I do have code to show, and that code is available on the Reactor 7 GitHub repo. That is it from me on this side. If somebody wants to go next.
Yeah, I can go. So for this week, I worked on four tasks that are assigned to me, mainly focusing on the weapon system and HUD logic, including the weapon interface, gun implementation, and show high logic connected to the face manager. And I'm planning to assign myself more tasks tomorrow to keep making progress. Unfortunately, I can't show my current work right now because my PC is in the repair shop, but I'll get it back tomorrow fully fixed and then ready to continue the rest of the tasks. And yeah,
Alrighty,
that's it.
thank you. Prince, do you want to go ahead and share what you did?
Yeah. Let me share my screen. 1 second. I have to send a request.
Oh, yeah.
Um, hi. Hi, so can you guys see?
Yeah, we can see.
So I worked on like the lives manager. Right here it's supposed to say it should say three, but I already like died a couple times. So I'm just gonna show it with you with zero lives right now. This on top is the health bar. So you have three tries, but we still have a health bar is what we agreed on doing. And then here we have like some items that give you health, like this first aid kit. And as you can see, like my health is full, so right now I'm not able to use it. But right here, if I take damage on the cylinder, as you can see, the health bar it goes down. And then if I press enter on the first aid, it goes back up to 50. And then if I kill myself enough to the point where the health bar goes down, then I respawn to the checkpoint like that. And so if I did do that like two more times, the game over overlay will pop up and I will be prompted to retry or start over. Sorry, it's off right now. This screen will pop up, and then if I retry, it'll bring me back to the checkpoint, and if I quit, it'll right now it'll bring me back to the checkpoint as well, but eventually when we have different stages, if you quit, it'll reset all the way back to the first stage. So those are the one of the those are some of the tasks that I've been doing. I've also been looking for different some environments that we could use, and I stumbled upon this free asset pack with which already has a demo scene that we could use. So I've been just looking into this as an option for where we could I'm still trying to figure out the rendering because it's taking me some time, but if you go to the scene here, it's pretty extensive and if we do end up going with this, there's a lot of things we could work with here. So I'm still trying to figure out, I could play right here so you can see that I've been working on this asset pack for a while and rendering everything. I'm still working on the torches and the lightings and stuff and but yeah, this is everything I've been working on so far. What I'm gonna work on right now is the player control, the and attaching all of the kind of bringing everything together and also working I might work with the enemy, the boss and but I don't know if anybody's picked up that task yet. but that's what I might be working on, as well as putting everything together, like all the previous tasks I've been working, because they're all in a different scene. So I would have to bring all the players and bring the player and with all its components and attributes and see if it would work um, in this scene with the canvas and everything. But as you can see here, like I can interact with the door. Well, let me see if it works now. Uh, oh, it's not working now, but it was working before. Like I can open doors and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I was working on.
Sweet. Thank you, Prince. Prashant, do you want to share what you did this sprint?
Hey there, I'm started implementing on collisions for the system layers, where mask implementation collisions are especially for handling how weapons interact with the game in the game world. Head scans or approach let us detect where the weapons hit to be casting. Basically, I'm going to work on that. Currently, I'm still working on those things so that I can showcase in the next coming few days. These layers basically where the mask are allows to key for the system to fine tune their objects can be hidden by the weapons. So this is what I'm basically working. So yeah, these all things I have gone through.
Yeah, alrighty, thank you. Sai, do you wanna finish this off?
Yeah, sure. So I've been working on like a more comprehensive system, AI system, for the enemy. And right now, like well, the last sprint, I like only showed like a small kind of like a dummy enemy, right? So it just follows you around. When it looks at you, it just follows you around and just kills you, right? So there's no like menace gauge or something like that that we previously talked about. So right now, like I've also like written a script that's called like a game manager. Not a game manager, but like an event manager. So it basically looks at where the player's position is and where the enemy position is, right? And then depending on the location of the enemy, we also have like so I also implement like some kind of a primitive menace gauge. So when the menace gauge is low, right? So that means the player is not like he's not scared enough. So to like increase the menace gauge to like a certain threshold, the enemy like the game manager will just hint, hey, the enemy like the player is in like this area, this kind of area of the map. So and then like the enemy AI will just go to that location, right? And then what if he spots him, like it'll just start chasing him. So that's like the primitive implementation like I've done till now. I'm sorry, like I don't have my laptop right now. I am running through like some kind of errors in the game manager. I still have to solve them, but yeah, like down the line, I think I'll be able to present it like in a couple of days.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, thank you. This is our bi-weekly demo. Thank you.